Hey, Eddie here with another video. Today, Friday, January 2nd, the first day of the year in trading. It was another amazing day because again appeared Wick Rejection plus bearish engulfing. Um, right here is a, let me make it more bigger. The way you can see much better. This is a clear Wick rejection plus bearish engulfing. The best combination to enter input, as I always say, is to love above, because if this trade doesn't work, it's okay to lose little bit money instead to lose big money. Always to love tight above. And the best way to exit, I always say that between 4 or 6 red candle in rod. 1 red candle, 2 red candle, 3 red candle, 4 red candle, price hit the support. I'm so grateful because 800% in profit. That is a lot for 25 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes. This candle right here was red and turned in green. I took one screenshot. Look, right here. I got it right here. My stop loss above plus bearish engulfing. Two best combination to enter input without hesitate. No hesitate, only execute. As you can see, this candle right here was complete in red and hit the support. Okay, I'm so grateful with 800% in profit. This trade, remember, let me show you again. On Wednesday, December 31st, right here, December 31st, at 2 o'clock New York time, appeared stop loss above, 6 red candle. This trade 7% in profit, 700% in profit. Let me show you more. Right here, this is on Tuesday. 2 Wick rejection input. If you like to trade in call, it's okay. I like to trade in call as well. Nonetheless, trading input is very lucrative when appear Wick rejection plus bearish engulfing like this. This is on Tuesday. Wick rejection plus bearish engulfing. For this candle right here, when you see a candle with wick above, wick below, this means it's time to abandon this position. Let's come back to the today trade, Friday, January 2nd, the first day of the trading day. Today, only 2 quality trades for bearish engulfing and for bullish engulfing. This is a clear bullish engulfing above the support. It takes more relevance because when there is a bullish engulfing above the support, execute because it's very lucrative. And again, between 4 or 6 red candle, it is exit. 1 green candle, 2 green candle, 3 green candle, 4 green candle. Only 1 red candle, out. Yes. This pattern always repeat in the stock market. You don't need to trade every single day. You don't need to trade every time. You need to trade only quality trade. like bullish engulfing, Wick Rejection. You might be like a tiger. Tiger who is patient for its prey because the market always offer opportunities. I'm not making this video for bragging. I making this video for teach how this pattern repeat every day. Not always every day, but frequently. Like you can see, on Monday of the next week, Monday, January 5th, no, January 5, let's see, probably on next week on Monday, appear again bearish engulfing. If appear bearish engulfing, I'm gonna make another video like this, showing this pattern repeat again. And then here in my video, this is my first day of my first trading day of 2006 in green. That's incredible. This is not luck. This is not lucky. This is constantly practice. Practice. Respect your trading plan. I got my trading plan. Let me show you. This is my trading plan. I always write it down because every time when I write it down my pattern, it stick in my brain. When the market open, I know what to do for fat. Same for what.